Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Today we will talk about math operations. So let's start. In Java, as in math, we have all the operators, so we can multiply, we can divide, subtract, we can add. So let's see in Java. So for example, let's make an subtraction between two int variables. So I can say like int number equal 5, and I need another number, so I can say int second number equal 5. Okay, so just to 5. We can now say we can set another variable. So for example, int subtraction, and we can say equal, and now we can make the math operation. So if I want to subtract number to second number, I can say number less second number. So now subtraction will be equal to 0 because 5 less 5 is 0, and we can see that just print on the console. So if you remember, we print on the console with this command, so we have to put inside here our variable, so subtraction. So now we can print on the console our subtraction variable, that is an int. Okay, so let's start our program, and as you can see, the value is 0. If we put here 10, for example, we will have 5, because 10 less 5 is 5. So we can make other math operations, so let's copy and paste this just to reuse the code. So change the name, we can say add. So now we can add number to second number. So here we have to write plus, and let's print the value of add. So just put the variable inside here, and let's start the program. As you can see, 15, because 10 plus 5. Okay, so we can make all the math operation. Let's make another example. So I can divide, let's change the name, and now let's say like 10 divided by 2, and let's print our variable in the console. So now let's run the program, and yeah, I have not changed the sign, the operator. So number divided by second number, so now I think it's right. Okay, 5. Okay, 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So you can make math operation between variable, as you can see here. You can also make math operation directly with the number. So for example, 5 divided by 5. Now the result will be 1. Okay, so you can make math operation and assign it to a variable, or you can make directly math operation, as you can see here, and you can't print the value of the variable, but we have just seen this in the past video with this command. So these are math operation. We can also make other operation. For example, we can multiply, so let's see multiplication. And we can say number multiplied by second number. And here we have to print our value. So now the value is 20 because we have just made 10 multiplied by 2. Okay, so these are the most important math operations that you can do in Java. We can also add string to a variable. So if you remember, I hope you remember string, and just let's see an example. So you can say, for example, answer is, and the results 20. So let's see it on Java. We have to write our string, so I will write answer is and plus and our variable. So now the result will be answer is 20. Okay, so if I change here, we'll change also the results here, so the answer is 13. And now we need a space here if you want, so we can say like this. Okay, so when you add something, you have to make plus and add what you want to add. You can do a space in Java like this, so just an empty string with a space inside, and plus multiplication, so the result. And now let's see. So answer is 13. Okay, so you can also add a string to another string. And let's see, this is a static. You will not use this, but it's just for made another example. So now we will add this string with this other string. And you can also save a string inside the variable and add the string here. So let's make another example. String my string equal to hello, and here you can add your string. You can see here. And let's make another example. I think this is the last example that we made for this lesson. Just remove this and pass inside here. Oh, I don't want this. Okay, and now we can say my string plus multiplication. So we can add two variables with a different type like this. And as you can see, answer is 13. Okay, so hope you have understand what I've explained in this video. Remember that you can do math operation exactly like in math in real life. You can do that in Java. Okay, so just use the sign operator to make math operation in Java. You can assign it to a variable, you can do directly like this, and you can print a value with this command. Okay, so hope you have understand this. The video end here. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like to the video. I will leave you my blog website in description. and we will see in the next video.